Good afternoon. Welcome to Arcimoto's 18Q1 earnings update video. We plan to do one of these prior to each quarterly call in order to give our shareholders, our customers, and our partners deeper insight into where we are as a company. Let's go to the factory. Woohoo! Arcimoto's mission is to help catalyze the shift to a sustainable transportation system. And our first product is aimed at replacing the daily use of cars for everyday trips with something that's radically more efficient, smaller footprint, easier to park, and a whole lot more fun to drive. I'm pleased to report that we have been successful in creating that product. I'm our first customer, so now that I have my Arcimoto, I'm using it for almost all of my daily trips. It's just an absolute joy to drive. And here we are. In our IPO materials, we laid out some broad goals of what we want to accomplish with the use of the proceeds of our IPO. And we're glad to report that we're making significant progress on all of those fronts. In parallel with the finalization of the design of the Retail Series Fun Utility Vehicle, we're also building both our Phase 1 and significant parts of our Phase 2 manufacturing facility at the same time. The final product assembly line, where we will assemble vehicles at scale, in parallel with the manufacturing machinery to build the chassis and the cage. Some of the key custom components of the vehicle are also coming online. By the end of the summer, we expect that all of the major manufacturing pieces of this puzzle will be here, leaving us with a fully vertically integrated metal fabrication facility. Arcimoto's 2018 vehicle production efforts fall into 4 discrete series. We've now put on the road 4 Signature Series FUVs, as well as 5 test chassis that will be used to validate key simulations of the vehicle architecture. Even though the Arcimoto is a motorcycle, we've done extensive simulation work to verify the efficacy of our front crumple zone, our upper frame assembly, and our seat belt attachment points. Once those simulations are correlated, we'll be able to use them to guide the design of the Pilot Fun Utility Vehicle. Immediately after the build of the Signature Series, we'll launch into the Beta Production Series. New motors, refined steering, new windshields, thermoformed plastic body parts for all of the body panels on the vehicles, as well as the full range of body accessories, rear storage bin, doors, and so on. Our 2 overarching goals for the year are to get into scalable, repeatable Retail Series production and to truly flesh out the end-to-end customer experience. How do you hear about it? How do you try it? How do you buy it? And how do you take care of it for the life of the product? And while our operations team has been working on that first set of problems, our business and marketing team has been working on the second. Our pre-order list continues to grow, driven by excellent PR from our showings on the East and West coasts. And we're now delving into the systems that our customers will actually use to configure the vehicles that they're purchasing, choosing between colors, battery options, enclosures, and accessories. We have also continued to refine our in-market retail business model and expect to open our very first Arcimoto Experience Center this summer. Thank you for joining us for this update. Arcimoto is powered by our community of customers, shareholders, and partners. Without you, none of this would be possible. See you on the road.